Do you have any dead or dying trees on your property that you've been ignoring? Dead trees can pose a threat to you, your family, and your neighbors, and should be removed as soon as possible, and preferably by a professional. Insurance companies consider trees to be dangerous if they are dead, diseased beyond recovery, or if they present a clear and present danger to people or property. If a tree falls, it can cause serious personal injury or death, and as the homeowner, you may be held liable. A falling tree has the potential to create extensive damage to your property or to your neighbor's property and could result in thousands of dollars in repair or replacement costs. A falling tree could also cause extensive power and utility outages for your entire neighborhood. Review your homeowner's policy with your insurance agent to determine whether or not your policy will cover removal of a dead tree, damage to your home or your neighbors, or injury or death resulting from a falling tree.